Take control of your online privacy in under 2 minutes by installing the Surfshark VPN Chrome extension. First, open your Google Chrome browser. You want to navigate to the Chrome Web Store. You can do this by typing Chrome Web Store into your Chrome search bar and selecting the official link, or by directly visiting the store's web address. Once you're on the Chrome Web Store, locate the search bar specifically designed for extensions. This is usually at the top of the page. In this search bar, type Surfshark VPN and press enter. You'll see a list of results appear. Look for the official Surfshark VPN extension. The official extension usually has the Surfshark logo and a good number of positive reviews. Click on the Surfshark VPN extension to view its details page. On the extensions page, you'll see a prominent blue button that says Add to Chrome. Click this button. A small pop-up window will appear asking for permission to add the extension. Review the permissions, and if you're comfortable, click Add Extension. And that's it. You'll see a small notification confirming the extension has been added, and the Surfshark icon will appear next to your Chrome address bar. To connect, simply click the Surfshark icon. You'll be prompted to log in with your Surfshark account details. If you don't have an account, you'll need to sign up on the Surfshark website first. Once logged in, you can choose a server location and click Connect to instantly secure your browsing. Now your online activity is protected with ease.